Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be doing part 2 of my first ever custom snap tab. So, I know, you're like, wow, that's one ugly looking snap tab. And you know what? You're right. This is so ugly. But it's my first one ever. It's my tester snap tab, and I just wanted to get the basics down to see how to make one. And have you guys follow me along in this journey of discovery and learning in crafting. Anyways, oh man, it's so hot out here today. Okay, I digressed. Okay, so I filmed this intro twice already, but for some reason my files keep getting corrupted, so hopefully this one will work. I left off my part 1 video showing you how I embroidered this out, and I said I wanted to see if my brother Scan and Cut could cut it out. Unfortunately, I'm new to that machine and I made a lot of mistakes, and it shifted while cutting and it cut into the tab itself. Do you see how there's a line there above the button? So I had to use nail glue and glue that back on, and I decided to still put on a tab to show you guys what it would look like. So I used this bright orange tab, which doesn't match this chain, but just to let it stick out and be easier to view on camera. Let's see if I can unsnap it with one finger. There we go. There's the snap tab. This is the back of the snap tab. So I ended up cutting this out by hand, which I'm not very good at. Along with that, the digitized file for this was rushed, so I made a lot of mistakes, and this is my first time stitching out this design also, so I'm just going to point them out to you here. So this part is uneven, and it's layered satin stitches, which is really rough on your machine, so I don't recommend that, and I'm going to fix the digitizing in my next video, but just wanted to point out the mistakes in this one, that there, and also the eyelet hole for the mask is just way too thin. Like, you can barely see it from far away. It just doesn't look right graphically and artistically to me. Also, the satin stitches here, hopefully my phone can focus, the satin stitches itself it's a little bit sloppy looking, like the density and the spacing is not correct. It's not what I would want it to be, so yeah, I'm definitely not giving this away or selling it. This is just like I said, my first time making a snap tab. But yeah, let's jump on into how to actually install the snap tab now. Oops, before that happens, I forgot to mention to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to see the video on how this stitched out, I'll put the iCard up above for you to click. And make sure to click the notification bell, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so this is actually the male piece, I believe, because it has this part sticking out, and then this is the female piece. The part sticking out is not as large, and there's a little crevice for it to go into, so I guess the outie goes into the innie, and you can kind of see it will fit together, but don't snap them together or you might not be able to get them back out. Okay, I'm gonna close this before I spill it everywhere, because knowing me, that could definitely happen. And so, like I said, you have the innie and the outie, and then you have these two button parts. So each together, these snap together. You're gonna use the tool and put them together to make one snap. So you need 4 pieces to make one snap tab. And let me take out the pokey tool. So this is really sharp. What I'm going to do is just hold it where I want it to go and move my fingers out of the way. Then I'm going to just approximately poke it where I want. I'm going to go a little higher. You know what? Let me take one of these. Where is it? There we go. I'm just going to place it and see. Let's see how high of a button I would need. No, like right here. It's fine. Anyways, like I said, this is just a test piece, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But you can put it anywhere you want. These are also good on garments and baby bibs and things for kids. Okay, then I'm going to push. And as I'm pushing, I'm kind of turning. And you can see my finger is out of the way because you don't want to stab your finger. And there we go. There's that. And I'm just reinforcing the hole to make sure I can see it later. Okay. Then for the snap tab part, I'm gonna decide which way you want to do this. Let's see. I would say this should be the outie side. And ouch, those are both pokey parts. This is the outie side to snap in. Yeah. Okay. So you take one of these. Let's find that hole. I feel like everything is so blurry. Let's see. There we go. There's the hole there. Just pushing this in. See? Then I have the outie part of the button. And there the spike sticks out a little bit. And what this tool does is it bends the spike so it traps the material in between the two pieces. So this black part, you put the button on and then you hold it and you squeeze it. It doesn't take much strength, but the tighter the better. You may want to use two hands, but yeah, and you can always just get it so that it doesn't move anymore and then just go back in. Let's see, put this back in, just squeeze it again. Alright, so these are actually relatively simple and fast once you know what to do. So there's that one, and we just repeat on the bottom. Let's find that hole. I'm doing this by feel because I can't really see it. Where did it go? Wait, there we go. I think that was it. Okay. There's my other piece. And this side goes this way, right? Yeah. This side goes this way. So this is the innie belly button part. And again, I can feel the spike sticking up through that section. Slide it. I don't think I did that right. Okay. Push. And I'm going to do it again because I didn't push very hard. Squeeze. You can rotate it if you need to. So basically this little black rubber section protects the button when you squeeze. Okay, I think that's good enough. And let's try to snap it together. Perfect. Alright, there you go guys. Cute little snap tab. I mean, this is a really ugly snap tab, but I'll redo it for you guys. This is my first one, and I just want to go over the basics and the concept of it. But yeah, then you can put a little ring here, attach it to your keychain, or you can just have it like this and attach it to your keychain because it's really easy to put on and off. So yeah, there you go. Your DIY keychain / key fob, custom, digitized, and embroidered. By yours truly. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below. Don't judge me too harshly because literally I agree this looks like horrible crap. But I'm gonna redo it, just wait. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to redigitize.